In sad news, and one of the rumors that I hoped to be the most true, it seems Jeffery Herlings is not going to be running either mxgp or pro motocross this year. He has a thing right there if you want to pause the screen and read it. Basically, it says, it's a bummer not to I'm going to pull some pieces out. It's a bummer not to run the #1 plate in mxgp or to think about the chance of doing the AMA Pro Nationals, but we've made a decision, and now my only goal is to get my body right, get pain-free, and think about preparation for 2023. At the very bottom of the paragraph, it says, I had a wonderful day on the bike yesterday, and this old man still has some raw speed, which, personally, I think Jeffery Herlings, gee, if I could say that, is an absolute rocket ship on a dirt bike. And continued, it said, and I will show that once again next year, and one day I will race again at pro motocross, believe me, rocket ship. So apparently he has plans to do it. It might be probably a Cairoli thing. He'll retire from mxgp and come over here for a couple races, or who knows, but that's down the line. That doesn't matter. But it is kind of sad to consider that Jeffery Herlings, it's not going to happen. Apparently he's still injured. The foot that he did injure, and then his other foot had some problems, and he has an injury-filled career so far in his life, and it's probably smart of him to take a year off, completely heal everything, and not try and race with some nagging things and whatever. But it is sad to see, because I was really hoping to see Jeffery Herlings in the Pro Nationals, just for the pure fact of, like, one, I love Jeffery Herlings. Two, bringing in that international fan base would be good, and also the competition for everyone that races over here. But it's sad to say he's not going to be doing it. So in the comments below, now that he's not, who do you think is going to win the Nationals? Ferrand is going to keep his title. Is Tomac going to be fast? Do you think Cairoli is going to stay? Dungy's going to stay? Is Cooper Webb even going to race? Any other names you want to throw out there? And in the comments below, leave those. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.